Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this pastelón, which is basically a sweet plantain lasagna. So first I'm starting out with my ground beef. I'm adding some green seasoning to it. Instead of green seasoning, you can use a combination of bell peppers, onions, garlic and fresh herbs. Now I'm adding in some allspice or some all-purpose seasoning followed by salt. You can season your mincemeat however you like. Don't feel obligated to follow this specific part of the recipe because this is down to preference. So if you usually season your mincemeat with paprika, black pepper, turmeric, whatever, you can add whatever it is you like. So I've added the mincemeat to my Dutch pot and I'm adding in some tomato paste, 1 tablespoon for taste, about half of a stock cube just to add some more flavour, some Worcester sauce, you can use vinegar instead, I've used 1 tablespoon of that. I top this up with water and then leave it to reduce for about 30 minutes. We're preparing the plantain for the plantain layers, and you can cut them into long strips, but I prefer to cut them into halves because it's just easier. Then you just want to fry your plantains until they are golden brown, so a few minutes on each side. Then you can add some marinara sauce, but this isn't an obligation. Actually, a lot of people don't make it with the sauce, so if you don't have it, you can skip it. My second layer is my plantain, and then after that I add in the ground beef. Then followed by cheese, so I use red Leicester cheese for taste and I use mozzarella cheese for the nice stretch. Then this is followed by the sauce, then the plantain layer again, and then followed by beef and cheese. And now I've just covered the top part with my cheese and I broiled it for about 5 to 10 minutes until the top was golden. I did this on 180. And you can add on some fresh herbs if you like, that's the little speckles that you can see of green there. This is the final product. This is what it looks like, quite similar to a lasagna. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!